In 1962, an archery tournament in Switzerland became the center of an unsolved mystery. An arrow, released by a champion archer, defied all expectations by not only altering its trajectory, but also circling back towards the shooter. This unexpected phenomenon left the audience in stunned silence, as competitors and judges tried to comprehend what had occurred. Despite rigorous investigations into environmental factors and equipment, the mystery of the misfiring arrow remained unsolved. The event sparked countless theories and debates, turning it into a legendary enigma that continues to baffle and intrigue the archery community to this day.